Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see all answers in Kahoot. So, let's get started. It's very simple. First, go to kahoot.com, and if you don't have an account, click sign up. And if you do have, simply click login. You can log into your Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Facebook. Now once you're inside, go ahead and make a game and just copy the pin. You can see the pin here, the game pin, 6 numbers. So go ahead and type it there and type in your desired name. Now if you wish to start, just click start. Now just wait for the game to ask you some questions. Now the first question appeared. Go to Kahoot and type in for the question. Now click the first option and you will see the possible questions and answers. Now you can cheat simply. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.